Oh, it doesn't have a name on it.
That's for Mommy.
Oh.
Can you give it to Mommy?
Are you going to help Mommy open it? You'll open it for me? Okay. Can Mommy help? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Keep going. Keep going.
Thank you. Put this right, it'll take a shower. So it's all lit up with red on the front, which probably means you're low on battery. Just so you know.
Or I'm recording.
Oh, I was thinking it'd be green then.
Can you give that to Mommy? I couldn't resist.
Hey, no more recording Mommy. Mommy doesn't want to be on.
Okay.
A fable for managers. You know. It's Santa! Can I help you tell you who that's for? Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I probably could have wrote the book myself. That's for Madison from Grandma and Papa. What is it? Mickey. Mickey?
Mickey?
Let's see. Mickey and the Beanstalk. Oh, wow. Is that a new one we'll have to watch later?
Open it. Open it.